Hey guys, welcome back. It's done. Almost done. I've got to sharpen it, and then I'm going to sharpen it. After I sharpen it, I'll give you guys the final reveal, let you guys take a look at the pocket knife made out of the special wood. It looks really good. I'm very pleased with it, so let's get to sharpening right quick, and then we'll do a final reveal. I'll let you guys see what it looks like. It looks awesome. All right, guys, I've got my little 1x30 belt sander set up here. I've got a little knife sharpening guide that I like to use. I have it set at a 25-degree angle. I'm going to make a couple of passes on here at this. This is an old 120 belt. I'll put that just to kind of get it sharp, get the angle in there, and then I'll go to a 240 and then a leather strop to get that. And then if I'm not happy with the edge at that point, then I will go about I have a hand manual sharpening system that I'll use, but we'll get some sharpening on it right quick. We're getting a good edge on it now. And I just want to get that polished up quite a bit. I'm going to switch over to a 240, maybe do a 320 just to get a real clean grind on there. Feel the wire edge on one side where it starts to roll over as you're sanding it. So now I'm going to put a leather strop on here and just kind of polish it off once, just to take that edge, break that chip off that edge there, and it will be razor sharp. Okay, this is a leather belt. I'm going to put a little buffing compound on it, and then just run the knife edge over this and just break off that chip a little bit, and then we will have a ultra sharp knife. Go. One sharpened knife. Super sharp. All right, guys. Here we go. All ready to see it.